This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. It's Thursday, August 29th. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. Let's jump right into the session. It was pretty muted, if you want to call a Dow up 243 points muted. We also had the NASDAQ closed down 39 points, but it was up heavily, leading the way at one point. And the S&P closed while being up all day, closed at the previous close up marginally 0.22 points, or like a quarter point. So basically sold off after 2 o'clock. It seemed like everything was trying to rally today, despite NVIDIA, which also bounced from the sell-off that it initially had exhibited. But we closed the day with NVIDIA down 6.38%. That's not going to help anyone that bought recently into the stock split news. You're pretty much break even at this point. So it's a little bit disappointing, I'm sure, for the latecomers for NVIDIA. Taking a quick look at the sectors, energy led the way, up almost 1%. You have basic materials up 0.75%, financials up 0.7%, industrials up 0.6%, utilities up 0.45%, consumer cyclical up 0.37%, and healthcare up 0.35%, all percentages. Real estate was down 0.25%, consumer defensive was down 0.3%, tech was down 0.3%, communication services was also down 0.3%. What stuck out to me today, obviously NVIDIA being down after earnings, after they beat. It just wasn't a big enough beat, I guess. Dollar General Store is down 32%. Now, some of that, I'm sure, is specific to Dollar General's business and how they operate. I'm sure some of that has to do with competition, like Walmart and Amazon. And I'm sure a lot of that also has to do with the consumer. Dell just reported earnings after hours, and I believe they're up momentarily as we speak, but we'll see how we shake out at the open on Friday. What else stuck out to me today? What was strong? What was weak? Let's go through these. Affirm Holdings up 31%. This is the buy now, pay later. IREN 14.8%. ARM Holdings 5.27%. Silvercorp Metals 4.7%. Reddit 4.6%. MongoDB 4.4%. AppLovin 4.1%. Extreme Networks 3.95%. PayPal 3.8%. Paysafe 3.8%. SVIX, which is short the VIX, up 3.21%. UCO up 3.08%. And Zeta Global Holdings up 3.06%. What was weak? Birkenstock down 16%. NetApp down 9.6% on earnings. The VIX down 8.71%. Kava down 6.39%. NVIDIA 6.38%, as we noted. Restoration Hardware 4.42%. Natural gas futures down 2.7%. Carvana 2.74%. And Sweetgreen down 2.10%. For free members, on Friday morning, you have the PCE data, which is what Jerome Powell follows for inflation. So that's going to be definitely something to watch Friday morning. And that's all I have for today. It's been nice and quick. I'll see you all after the Friday session. Premium members, please stay on. I have about a dozen charts to walk through with you today. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.